Hi students, before starting today's lesson, there is a small correction in previous video. In the previous video, that is part 9 trigonometry, a little correction is there. Please correct. In fourth problem, second bit, cosecant 34 degrees divided by secant 56 degrees whole square is there, plus cot 81 degrees divided by tan 9 degrees whole square is there. I am writing cosecant 34 as cosecant 90 minus 56. 90 minus 56, 34 only. So divided by secant 56 whole square plus cot 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. 81 is 90 minus 9 is 81. So divided by tan 9 degrees whole square. Here I did not put whole square. Please correct here. Here I kept whole square. Here I kept whole square. But while saying I said, but while writing I did not write. Please correct. Okay, please correct here and write whole square. And the remaining rest of the problem is correct only. Secant 56 degrees and secant one time it goes cancels. That's 9 tan 9 degrees and tan 9 degrees one time. 1 square plus 1 square is 1. 1s are 1, 1s are 2. This all remaining part is correct. Here I kept square. Here also I kept square. Everywhere I kept. But here by mistake I did not. I forgot. While saying I said, but while writing whole square I did not write. Please correct this one. Eleventh problem. Without using trigonometrical tables, prove that first bit sin 73 degrees into cos 17 degrees plus cos 73 degrees into sin 17 degrees is equal to 1 should come. So take LHS first. Whenever they tell prove that or show that, LHS, with LHS you have to start. Sin 73 degrees into cos 17 degrees plus cos 73 degrees into sin 17 degrees. First term, second term. In first term, sin and cos are there. In second term, cos and sin are there. If you want to change the first one in first term, the same first one you have to change in second term also. No sir, I want to change second one means here second means there also second. Here first and there second, there won't be meaning. Able to follow. So here what I am doing means I want to change the second one. So here also I will change second one. That is equal to sin 73 degrees as it is I am writing. And I am writing cos 17 as 90 degrees minus 73 degrees. 90 degrees minus 73 degrees is 17 only. Cross check I told. Plus cos 73 as it is. Sin 17 I am writing as sin 90 degrees minus 73 degrees. 90 minus 70, 17. So now that is equal to sin 70 degrees, 73 degrees as it is. Now sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin, tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan, secant becomes cosecant, cosecant becomes secant. So cos becomes here sin, sin theta, theta plus 73 degrees plus here cos 73 as it is, cos 73 degrees, sin becomes cos, cos theta plus 73 degrees. Are you able to follow? That is equal to sin 73 degrees into sin 73, sin square 73 degrees plus cos 73 degrees into cos 73 degrees is cos square 73 degrees. Are you able to follow? Now this is in the form of identity. What identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is identity. You have to mention compulsory. Without mentioning you should not do this problem. So here we got according to identity this is 1. We started near LHS and we reached near RHS. They told to prove that, hence proved. So we have proved, hence proved. This is the way of solving the problem. Now second bit, in 11th problem second bit, sin 40 degrees into secant 50 degrees plus cos 40 degrees into cosecant 50 degrees is equal to 2. They told to prove that. So LHS, left hand side you take sin 40 degrees into secant 50 degrees plus cos 40 degrees into cosecant 50 degrees. Now change any one out of these two. Second one I am going to change. First one also you can change, no problem. Secant 50 degrees I am writing as 90 degrees minus 40 degrees. 90 minus 40 is 50. Plus cos 40 degrees into cosecant I am writing 50 degrees as 90 degrees minus 40 degrees. That is 50 degrees. That is equal to sin 40 degrees into secant becomes cosecant. Cosecant theta. Theta plus 40 is there, so write 40 degrees. Plus cos 40 degrees. Cosecant becomes secant. Secant theta. Secant 40 degrees. That is equal to, we have direct formula. Sin theta into cosecant theta 1. But some don't know this formula, so I am changing. Sin, directly you can apply that formula. We can write cosecant as 1 by sin. Reciprocal of cosecant is sin. Sin reciprocal is cosecant. Reciprocals. Keep in one bracket. This is first term now. Keep in one bracket. Plus cos 40 degrees. This also cos theta into secant theta 1. We have formula. We can apply that one. But some don't know. That's why 1 by cos. Secant means 1 by cos 40 degrees. For your understanding purpose, this step I am doing. Sin 40 degrees goes in sin 40 degrees one time. Cos 40 degrees goes in cos 40 degrees one time. That is equal to 1 ones are 1. Plus again 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. That is equal to RHS. Right hand side we got. They told to prove that. So hence proved. We have proved now. So hence proved. Or otherwise you can apply what I told you. That formula also you can apply. No, nothing will happen. For your understanding purpose I am writing those formulas. What formula? Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. And next one here, cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Either these formulas also you can apply. The same answer comes. 1 only will come. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 11th problem, 6th bit. Tan 10 degrees into tan 15 degrees into tan 75 degrees into tan 80 degrees is equal to 1 should come. Now LHS you take, because prove that tan 10 degrees into tan 15 degrees into tan 75 degrees into tan 80 degrees. Multiplication anywhere you can write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3 6 6 4 24, or 1 into 3 into 2 into 4, or 4 into 3 into 2 into. Multiplication will not, however we multiply also same answer comes. Here also what I am doing means I am bringing 10 degrees and 8 degrees side by side, because both together 90, and 15 degrees and 75 degrees both 90 side by side. So Here a small change I am doing. Tan 10 degrees into tan 80 degrees I am writing. Again into tan 15 degrees into tan 75 degrees. Combination. Complementary angles. So now tan 10 degrees I am writing as it is. Now I am writing tan 80 as 90 degrees minus 10 degrees. 90 minus 10 is 80 into tan 15 degrees as it is I am writing, and here I am writing tan 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. 19 minus 15 is 75. Cross check. Dot indicates multiplication. If you put or not writing dot also no problem. That is equal to tan 10 degrees into tan 90 becomes cot theta plus 10 degrees. Next into tan 15 degrees as it is into tan becomes cot theta plus 15 degrees. Here also we are having tan theta into cot theta 1, tan theta into cot theta 1. But for your understanding purpose, one more step I am writing. Tan 10 degrees into reciprocal of cot 1 by tan 10 degrees. Are you able to follow? Next, keep in one bracket for understanding purpose. Which one you are combining? Next, tan 15 as it is, tan 15 degrees into cot I am writing as 1 by tan 15 degrees. Now tan 10 degrees one time it goes, tan 15 goes one time. So 1 into 1 ones are 1. We got RHS. What we got? RHS. Hence proved. This word compulsory. Hence proved. Here also you can mention that formula if you want to do along with formula. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. You can apply this formula and you can do also. Here 1 into 1. But you have to put bracket. For these two it will be 1. For those two it will be 1. Combination. Is equal to hence proved. There you can't see. So here I am writing. Hence proved. Here unable to see. There I wrote. 12th problem. Express each of the following in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. The angle should be between 0 degrees and 45. It should not exceed 45. Here it exceeded. So we have to convert between 0 and 45. So solution given. What they have given? Cos 81 degrees plus cot 81 degrees. We can write as cos 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. 90 degrees minus 9 degrees is 81 degrees plus cot 90 degrees minus 9 degrees, same 81. Sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin. So here cos becoming sin, sin theta, sin 9 degrees plus cot becomes tan, tan theta, tan 9 degrees. Now you see degrees are between 0 and 45 or not. This is the way of simplifying this problem. Angle should be between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. We got 9 degrees. Understood clearly? Now same question, third bit. The trigonometric ratio should be between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Now here it is in secant 63 degrees more than 45, cosecant 49 degrees more than 45. Now we are going to change, we are going to express. So solution, what is given? They have given secant 63 degrees plus cosecant 49 degrees. Now I am writing secant 90 degrees minus how much? Subtract 90 minus 63. Here 7. Here 10 comes. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 27 degrees. 90 degrees minus 27 degrees is 63 only. Or add 60 plus 20, 80, and this is 10, 90. Complementary angles. Don't know means do like this, subtract. This is part and parcel of the problem. No need to feel. Plus cosecant 90 degrees, in the same way 90 degrees minus 14, we should get how much? 49. So degrees, keep degrees. Now 10, here 1, 8 minus 4 is, so minus 41 degrees, minus 41 degrees. This is part and parcel of the problem. Do like that, subtraction. And cross check also. 49 plus 41, 90 came or not, and 90 minus 41, 49 came or not. Cross check. We replace 63 in this another way, 49 in another way. Now secant becomes what? Cosecant. So cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means theta plus how much is there? 27 degrees it is there. Plus cosecant becomes secant. Secant theta 41 degrees. Now you see this is between 0 and 45 degrees. This is also 0 and 45 degrees. They told to express, we have expressed. The problem. If 0 degrees less than theta less than 25 degrees, comma, prove that cos 65 degrees plus theta minus sin 25 degrees minus theta is equal to 0. That they are giving a condition. If means our condition is there, theta should lie between 0 degrees and 25 degrees. Are you able to follow? So solution given. What they have given, they told to prove that. So take LHS, left hand side. What is LHS? Cos 65 degrees plus theta minus sin 25 degrees minus theta. LHS you are taking. Another form of this one is sin 90 degrees minus of 65 degrees plus theta minus sin 25 degrees minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta place this is there. Once again I am repeating. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Otherwise cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. In the beginning of this exercise I told formulas. Now that is equal to sin 90 degrees plus into minus 65 degrees plus minus into plus minus theta minus sin 25 degrees minus theta. Now that is equal to sin 90 minus 65 is 25 minus theta minus sin 25 degrees minus theta. This is plus and that is minus, cancel, is equal to 0. is equal to RHS, hence proved. That word compulsory, hence proved. Sixteenth problem. Prove that first bit cos A divided by sin 90 degrees minus A plus sin A divided by cos 90 degrees minus A is equal to 2 should come. So take LHS. What is LHS? Cos A by sin 90 degrees minus A plus sin A divided by cos 90 degrees minus A. Now we know the formula. Cos A as it is you write. Sin 90 minus A is cos A. Cos A plus sin A as it is, and we know the formula for cos 90 degrees minus A is sin A. Now cos A goes in cos A one time, sin A goes in sin A one time, that is equal to 1 plus 1. How much we got? Is equal to 2. That is equal to RHS, hence proved. This is the way of solving this problem. 16th problem. Prove that second bit sin A divided by sin 90 degrees minus A plus cos A divided by cos 90 degrees minus A is equal to secant 90 degrees minus A into cosecant 90 degrees minus A. So take first LHS, because they told to prove that sin A divided by sin 90 degrees minus A plus cos A divided by cos 90 degrees minus A. Now that is equal to sin A in numerator as it is. Denominator sin becomes cos A. So cos A plus, and here cos A divided by sin A. These formulas you have to learn it by heart. Now whenever adding a fraction, we will take method of LCM. So take here the LCM is cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. Cos A how many times goes? Sin A times goes. Sin A into sin A is sin square A plus sin A how many times goes? Cos A times. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. Cos square A plus sin square A how much? 1. We know this identity. Write that identity. So that is equal to 1 by cos A into sin A. Are you able to follow? Write this identity here. What is the identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Write that. This is what? Identity. You have to mention compulsory. And you have to learn this identity. Only 3 identities are there. You have to learn and by heart. This identity we have applied there. Otherwise, you can't understand how we got 1. This is the identity. Now separate 1 by cos A into 1 by sin A. We can write like this, multiplication. 1 by cos means we know secant A. Secant A into 1 by sin means cosecant A. But see, the left hand side answer or right hand side answer is in different way, and we got here different. But we know the formula. Secant A means cosecant 90 degrees minus A. And what is the formula for cosecant A? Secant 90 degrees minus A. Are you able to follow? So these are also formulas. Sir, here first secant came, here you got for your second means 1 into 2 or 2 into 1 same only. In multiplication nothing will happen. Commutative property we have learned. A into B is equal to B into A, commutative multiplication. So is equal to RHS, hence proved, the word compulsory, hence proved. They told to prove that we have proved. This is the way of solving the problem. 16th problem, third bit. Sin 90 degrees minus A into cos 90 degrees minus A should be equal to tan A by 1 plus tan square A. They told to prove that. So take LHS first. What is LHS? Sin 90 degrees minus A into cos 90 degrees minus A. Now we know the formula. Sin 90 minus A is cos A. Cos A into cos 90 degrees minus sin A. Sin A. This is number one answer. This is LHS answer we got. Now take RHS. What is RHS? Tan A by 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. Tan means we know sin by cos. So sin A by cos A. Numerator. Come to denominator. 1 plus sin square A by cos square A. Denominator. Now simplify. That is equal to numerator, no change will be there. Sin A by cos A as it is. Denominator take LCM. Cos square A is LCM. So 1 cos square A is cos square A. Cos square A plus sin square A. This is denominator. Now reciprocal. Before doing reciprocal, you can simplify also here itself. Cos square A plus sin square A, how much? 1. Why? Identity. That is equal to sin A by cos A divided by 1 by cos square A. 1 by cos square A. How we got 1? Identity. Now simplify. Reciprocal. Sin A by cos A as it is. Whenever a fraction is there in the denominator becomes reciprocal. Cos square A by 1. Now here one cos get cancelled because here square is there. We can cancel. One more cos will be there. Here also we got answer as sin A into cos A. This is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Same answer we got. LHS answer what we got? RHS answer also the same we got. So hence proved. Hence proved. And here you have to mention compulsory the formula. What formula? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Identity that you have to write here.